Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's video is about people saying, "But I did this for you." Before I begin, please subscribe and inshallah you get good deeds for it. So first of all, we should recognize what our intentions is. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He doesn't judge our actions based off of the results or what happens. He judges it based off of what our intention is. If you try to do something good and it ends up horribly backfiring, but you try to do something good, then you'll get reward for what you intended to do. So if you intended to try to do something and you ended up failing, don't feel bad, because realize that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to reward you and that you tried. If you make an intention and you get caught up in something else because of important matters, don't feel bad. And remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala rewards us, not others. Don't expect a reward from others for doing something unless you specifically ask for it. Like if you bought a product and in that case you paid money and you were expecting something, yes, you're entitled to that. You're entitled to your rights. But don't do good deeds and then think of it as like a token system where I do something good for you and you do something good for me. Don't do that. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He's the one who you should be asking a reward from. Don't go to the person who has no power. Why are you going to a person and asking them for a favor when you can go to Allah who owns that person? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He owns everything. So go to Him. Don't go to others. And if you do something with the intention that you'll be rewarded by someone else, then you're just doing it for that only, then that's gonna be problematic, because then you're not getting the good deeds for it that could possibly help you to go to Jannah. And if you do decide to do something, whether it be a job or something, and you expect a reward out of it, make an intention that whatever reward you get, you're going to make good use out of it, that you're going to use it for halal purposes. For example, if you go to a job, then make the intention that you're going to use that money in a halal way. And in that sense, you get the reward for both doing your job and spending the money in a halal way. And don't feel like anybody has any power over you except for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Only one opinion matters, and that's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's opinion of you. It doesn't matter what your neighbor thinks of you. It doesn't matter what your family thinks of you. It doesn't matter what your friend thinks about you. As long as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is happy of you, as long as He's pleased with you, that's what matters. That's what's going to bring you Jannah. That's what's going to bring you happiness. And if you're worried about someone else's opinion, just remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He will protect you from that person if He so wishes, and that if He's pleased with you, then you will go to Jannah. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khairan kaseer for watching. Please subscribe and inshallah you get good deeds for it.